There is a new feature in After Effects that I'm obsessed with, and it is the quick offset feature. This is something I've been doing manually for years, and it's basically when you have a lot of layers that you want to stagger the animation between. So maybe I want the different elements to scale up one after the other instead of all at the same time. I would do it manually, and there's a lot of room for error doing it that way, but now there's an automatic way to do it with a keyboard shortcut. So if you have all of your animation keyframes on your layers already, open them all up and then box select all of those keyframes. Now they're all selected. What I'm going to do is hold down Control-Alt on Windows or Command-Option on a Mac. And when you hold that down on your keyboard, you'll get this little arrow, double arrow with 3 lines on the right of it. And that is the symbol for the quick offset. So now with my mouse, if I hit the left mouse button and drag, I can create that evenly spaced offset with ease. Look at that. So now if I push play, everything goes one after the other, perfectly spaced, and it's so cool and easy. And this actually comes up a lot when working in After Effects. So this is a very, very helpful new feature. And I'm glad that they built it in. Look at that. Perfect. So as you can see, there are a lot of applications for this. I especially like how even everything is, and there's not so much room for error like there is when you do it manually. And I am obsessed. So finally, we have a really useful update, and I am happy to share it. If you found this video useful, check out my playlist in After Effects for more like this. And thank you guys so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.